In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Origin Lab software step by step. Origin is one of the most important tools used for research and data analysis. And the good news is that if you're a research student, you can get a free 6-month license. Once that time is up, you can apply again for another 6 months at no cost. To get started, open your browser and search for Origin Lab. From the official site, you'll see the interface and the option to apply for the student license. Click on the link and you'll be directed to a form. Here, you'll need to provide details such as your name, your university, your department, and your laboratory. The most important field is your university email address. You must enter a valid institutional email in order to receive the license. You'll also need to create a strong password before clicking the submit button. Once that's done, a download link will be generated for you. Simply click on it and the download will begin. When the file finishes downloading, you can find it in your local downloads folder. Look for the file named origin.exe. Then, double-click it to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, and within a few minutes, Origin Lab will be installed and ready to use. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily download and install Origin Lab and start using it for your research work. Thank you for watching this video.